Let's play memory cards and learn about birds. Tap a card. Baby bird, feather, worm. Baby bird, baby bird, feather, feather, worm, worm, egg. Let's play again. Baby bird, mama bird, baby bird, mama bird, nest, egg, 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 nest. Congratulations! Can you trace the number 8? Eight snowmen. 8, 8.
Hello, time to eat. Drag the fruit Billy asks for to feed him. Billy would like
7 oranges. 1, 2, 3,
good.
4, 5, 6,
You are almost done.
7. Yeah, you did it!
Billy would like
3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Delicious! Thank you!
Billy would like
8 bananas. 1, 2, 3,
good job.
4, 5, 6,
Well done. You only have
7, 8.
perfect. You did great. See you soon.